Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in NIL Launchpool on Binance. As you can see, there is new Launchpool on Binance, which is NIL. There are three options. You can lock your FDUSD, USDC or BNB. And project duration is 3 days. And if you participate, your token will lock for 3 days. So yeah, let's say I want to participate by lock my FDUSD. I can click this one. Then as you can see, I only have 1.01 FDUSD, but it is for this example. So yeah, I will try it. And then you can click lock. That's it. It's successfully just like that. Maybe you want to participate more than one token. Maybe you want to also lock another token like USDC or BNB. You can do it. Can like this. If you don't have, you have to convert it or you can buy it just like that. And after 3 days you will get the token. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.